Today, we will decorate pillow boxes with lace and laser-cut wooden flowers. You could fill these boxes with foiled chocolate hearts, sugared almonds, or any other treats. Apply glue to a segment of lace with a vintage look. Place a flat-packed pillow box on top. Fold the lace over the pillow box so that both sides of the pillow box are decorated with lace. Trim any excessive lace using scissors. Let the glue set. We will glue a flower to the box next. When making these boxes, you could use many different flower shapes. Apply glue to the flower and attach the flower to the front of the box, placing it over the segment of lace. Let the glue set again. You can now push the flaps in to assemble the pillow box. These pillow boxes will look nice on a table together with natural materials, such as pure linen napkins or beige stoneware.